There's this really cool bike service station they just installed on this pathway here. They announced it in an email and I was guardedly excited about it, and but they delivered. So check this out. They've got a place to rinse off your bike. But then this is the cool part. Got this bike repair station here. You can hang your bike right up on there. I've got a real solid air pump with a meter on it. I got my tires all pumped up. And all these tools, including hex wrenches, which I was in need of a while back. I wish they had gotten this done a while ago. So hello to everyone at home. This is how I'm doing my hair now that it's getting long. I'm keeping up with my classes, although I just did really poorly on a physics midterm. I just got out of that on my way back from that. The Lindy Exchange is in, that's the weekend of the 28th, so weekend after next. What else is new? I'm getting weird looks as people bike by. Doing my vlog here. My vlog thing. But yeah, this is really cool. Number 828. Village Market, Fine Foods, where I get most of my stuff to eat. Well, all of it really. How's the food here? It's fine. Cucumber's actually kind of good sometimes.